Om. वेदोक्त कर्म अथवा त्रैधर्म कर्म अर्थात वेद बेस्ड religion. Let us talk about Vedic religion. Means Vedokta Karma. Why Vedokta Karma is needed in our daily routine? Because the Vedic religion is so beneficial in the daily life. Whatever you want, whatever you have expectations, and whatever you have chosen goals, what you think, and whatever you want to get, your desires, or you want to fulfill your all desires every day in the daily life, whatever thing is needed. If you want to get the same, then one must follow the Vedic rituals, means Vedokta Karma, or you can say Vedic Karma Kand. Without Vedic Karma Kand, means Vedic rituals, you can't get your desired expectations. So, if you want to get whatever you have desires, so you follow the Vedic rituals, whatever our Vedic philosophy explains. So let us try to understand this matter by following one example of Yudhishthir. Let us take an example of Yaksha Prashna. Yaksha Prashna from Yudhishthir. Yaksha asked one question in the last stage, means that was last question of Yaksha from Yudhishthir. Yaksha asked a question from Yudhishthir. O King Yudhishthir, can you describe that which doings or which karma is best to provide our nitya apeksha? Means our daily expectations. So Yudhishthir replied to Yaksha, O Yaksha, there is one religion, that is Vedic religion. Means Dharma or Vedokta Karma, based on Rigved, Yajurved, Samved. These three Vedas are provider of our daily expectations. Means these three Vedas are called Dharma. Means Ved based religion. This Ved based religion, Vedokta Karma, is our provider of all work fruit. Means whatever we want, nitya karma phal, means daily whatever we want, karma phal, means whatever you perform or whatever we have expectations, we want karma phal daily. Means nitya, we want that all desires we expect every day nitya karma phal. Means our expectations must be fulfilled. So Yudhishthir described that Vedokta Karma is our best followable religion. This Vedokta Karma is a part of Vedic rituals. Whatever we want, whatever we have expectations are being provided by Vedokta Karma, means Vedic rituals. So, this Vedokta Karma is very beneficial to provide our daily expectations. So we must follow the Vedokta Karma in our daily life. Om Tassat. Om Tassat.